I've opened just a couple of images, but I can easily do the same with 100. So you can see, and I can prove it, when I measure with an eyedropper, the skin is much brighter on the model's hands than on the feet. It looks as if she's wearing a brown pantyhose, and it's because the images are underexposed, but just in the bottom. So I'll just set the exposure to something huge like +2, and click down there and drag. I don't need so much exposure, I just need to see what I'm doing. Then I'll lower it to something about +0.6, and that's it, the problem is solved. But the best thing about this whole situation is yet to come. I'll select all the images, it doesn't matter if there are 2 or 200, and I'll click on them with the right mouse button and choose Sync Settings, and then check the local adjustment box. And the same gradient will be applied to all the images at once. This is probably the quickest way to solve problems like this one.